Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the toe panel retainer on your dishwasher. If yours is lost or damaged, you'll need to replace it. It's a really easy job, and let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we only need to access the lower panel. For demonstration purposes, we'll just tilt this dishwasher back. So we begin by removing the existing retainer or portion thereof. Simply pop that out and discard it. Now to install the new one, push it through the toe panel. We want to put that slotted end in first and in a vertical position. And push the base of it flush against that toe panel, line it up, and then press in on the center button. And keeping it straight, take a large flat blade screwdriver, push it in the rest of the way while turning either clockwise or counterclockwise 90 degrees. And that will hold it in position. Now to remove them, just take a large flat bladed screwdriver and rotate that center pin 90 degrees either left or right, and you can pull the whole retainer clip out. Again, to install it, just line it up, make sure the panel is flush against the frame while pressing in on it. Turn it clockwise, and that locks it in position. And your repair is complete.